Hello extension developers. I faced an issue while building my Chrome extension, and it took me a considerable amount of time to find a solution by referring to documentation and seeking help from various sources. Now, I'd like to share the workaround I came up with. In my project, there's an HTML page with a link tag containing inline.js, which triggers an alert when clicked. Everything was functioning correctly, as expected. However, I encountered a problem when trying to click this button using JavaScript through the Chrome extension script. This is the error we are trying to resolve. In the project, we have an HTML file with an anchor tag that, when clicked, triggers an alert using inline JavaScript. The manifest file contains all the necessary information about the project, such as required permissions, version, app name, etc. The background script automatically invokes, and in our case, we create a context menu using the background script. When the context menu is clicked, we send a Chrome message with an action name. Since we triggered a message, we need to implement logic to catch the message. Therefore, we created another script to handle the response, and then call the logic for clicking the link dynamically. To test the application, we may encounter situations where reloading the extension does not work, so we might need to remove and re-add the extension. Now, when we try clicking again, we receive an error stating, "Refuse to run the JavaScript URL because it violates the following content security policy directive." Although we believe we are not violating any policies, Chrome treats it differently. To address this, we have a workaround. Let's add the logic for that. Firstly, we remove all existing logic to make the workaround function correctly. To achieve this, we need to use Chrome scripting, providing the tab ID where the logic will be triggered and a function containing the logic. We've created the click link function for performing dynamic click logic. Additionally, the execute script will return a promise, and we can handle success or failure of the promise as required. Next, we create the click link function, which generates an event to trigger our code. After calling the custom event, we remove it from the DOM. Let's test this implementation. And indeed, it works as expected. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.